Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We all know that recently DH Companion has launched a latest version, that is 1.0.7. I updated my version and tried doing the 15 meters hack process, but unfortunately it was getting connected, but it was not reflecting. After clicking on 500 meters hack button in DH Companion, it was not reflecting in DJI Fly app. So I was not understanding what was the problem. So I tried contacting DH Companion support team. Then they addressed the issue, and they have launched the recent another updated version, that is 1.0.8. So in this whole video we will be checking how to connect the latest version of DH Companion with your the RC and get the 15 meters hack done. Primarily, just simply turn on your aircraft and RC and leave it ideally for some time, for 10 seconds or 15 seconds, so that aircraft can fetch the GPS and get to the stable GPS signal. So let's quickly update our DH Companion application from 1.0.4 to 1.0.8. Update this DH Companion Android application, you need to go to the Drone Hacks official site and download the latest version from there. So I am downloading it again from the official website. Once you download, directly hit on the install button and get it installed. Then don't open it, just simply do it as a done. So before proceeding with the hack process, first you need to update your RC firmware that is newly released by DJI. Without this update, your DH Companion is not going to connect to the top port of your RC. So make sure you update this firmware first. Without updating this firmware, DH Companion 1.0.7 will also not work, and 1.0.8 will also not work. So make sure to update this firmware first. And the DJI has launched that RC firmware for the new drone, that is DJI Air 2. Yes, as we all know that DJI Air 2s and Air 2 and Mini 2 have the same RC remote. So now, as you can see on the screen, that maximum altitude is at 15 meters. And in the about section you can see my app version is 1.4.0 and my RC firmware is the latest one, which I have updated now. So now let's switch the app from DJI to DH Companion. You need to unplug and plug it again to your phone. This time you need not plug it in the bottom of the RC, just you need to plug it on the top of your RC, and it gets connected. Click on 500 meters and FCC mode. Once this is done, you can switch back to DJI Fly app. Now again you need to unplug and plug it back to your phone, and it will ask for the access. Then click on OK and just once. Now go to the settings and check. You can see that maximum altitude is 500 meters. Just to add a point, whenever you unplug and plug it, when you open DH Companion, it will ask for the access, that is OTG access. That time you need to cancel that access and open the DH Companion. If you press on OK, then DH Companion will not be accessed and it will not be connected. Hit on OK, it will get connected to the DJI Fly app. If you cancel it, it will be in idle state, and when you open DH Companion, it will automatically get back to the DH Companion application. So with this we can say that latest version of DH Companion is good and is more time saving and effort saving. So that's it for this video guys. Hope this video was helpful for you and hope you have liked this video. If you found this video helpful, please do hit a like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.